welcome Dr. Rajiv Kumar for expanding horizons on Resource Center for Tobacco Control in India. He's the project coordinator at the Department of Community Medicine and School of Public Health at PGI Chandigarh. He has worked with multiple institutions of national recognition as exceptional public health professional. With over 12 years of experience in health sector, he has been involved in implementation of different projects at the various levels. He has global leadership certification from Tobacco Control and Climate Reality, and he's certified master trainer for health promotion, community participation, soft skills, tuberculosis, tobacco, and epidemiology. And I must also add that we have all seen his efficiency in during the organization of this conference and coordinating with each one of us very promptly. Very welcome, Rajiv. Go ahead with your presentation, please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the introductions. So through this presentation, I just highlight the effort of Resource Center for Tobacco Control in India. So, yeah, so actually this initiative is jointly initiated by the PGI MER Chandigarh and in collaboration with the union. Is emerging as a one-point reference system for varied tobacco control information and activity. So the key, background, I just highlight that there is no platform before that in India to all tobacco control information. So we know that NTCP in India is mandate for imparting public awareness about tobacco control and legislation and deterrent effects of tobacco use. So prevailing information on tobacco control is laying scattered at different sources. So we all know that all the different states have a different websites, different sources. So due to this absence of common platform, this information need to be channelized and arranged in a systematic manner in particular place. So we collaborate scattered information and try to channelize and systemize through this portal. Yeah, so catering to everyone. So this portal will benefit to all type of the audience, like program implementer and managers. So those who making the policy and guidelines and some IC, so they also benefit through this portal. Academia and researchers for the research study and for the innovations, and other stakeholders like NGOs, civil society, and masses and media. So actually they drive the campaign and they actually implement the program in ground level. So they also benefit through this portal at under the one roof. So the initial step we take for the formation of RCTC, we have initiated with a need assessment. We have called feedback from many experts. Then we start the mapping at national and subnational level. And after that, we organized one stakeholder meeting at Delhi with high-level meeting and chair by a Union Secretary, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. In this meeting, we have finalized the framework for this Resource Center for Tobacco Control. After the framework, we sourcing the material from across India states. And finally, we launched in 12th Asia Pacific Conference on 14th September in Bali. So this is the key journey of ERCTC. So after the launch, we launched in 14th September 2018 in APEC Bali. So after the launch, we till date we have collated the resources from across 33 states of India, and it's in number 670 latest order circular notification of tobacco resource material available on this OneRoof portal. And after that, we initiate one bi-monthly newsletter, a newsletter named Tobacco Free Times. We have published, till date, we have published a 9 edition for that. And we are also organizing few seminar and webinar for particular tobacco related information topic. And we also successfully organized one national summit on 2020 the World No Tobacco Day. And the next step, we are proposing one online course. We have already initiated the step, and we hope that we very soon announce this online course under the roof of e-Resource Center for Tobacco Control. So this is the glimpses of finalizing RCTC framework. We have a high-level roundtable meeting on 27th July in Delhi. So outreach of this ERCTC. So till date, we have actually the ERCTC attracting visitors from various parts of the globe. Not only people from India, but people from other countries, Europe, America, Asia, Africa, are visiting its portal. Today, the portal has clocked over more than 2 lakh visitors from across 80 plus countries. So there is a few initiative by ERCTC. One, we have already told that 9 edition of Tobacco Free Time. All the edition are theme-based edition. So we have covered one particular theme of tobacco control in all the Tobacco Free newsletter. And ERCTC storehouse of information. So I've already informed that 670 plus latest order circular notification of across 33 states are available in this portal. So we have compiled all the information, circular, publications, all IC material, I think, available in this portal. So we have organized various activities under the this Resource Center for Tobacco Control, National Summit, seminar, webinars. We are also information partner for the 5th NCTUH. So there is some expert feedback on ERCTC portal. So some media stories of ERCTC. We have launched one of the newsletter in World Lung Conference in Hyderabad. There's few achievements, like we have this RCTC is oral presented in 4th NCTUH, and also a poster discussion in 50th Union World Lung Conference at Hyderabad. Oral presentation and poster discussion in WLC. So way forward for that, catalyze tobacco control activity across India, foster tobacco control partnerships, universal access to tobacco control information. So if you are all are fighting for tobacco use, so let's do it together, and we welcome you at School of Public Health PGI Chandigarh for joining us, and also visit this portal rctcpgi.org for if you want any information related to any of circular orders by any of the states. So we have a separate section for all the states across India. Yeah. Thank you, Chair, for providing me a time for presenting this specific initiative. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajiv.